Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I have a lovely package from the company Primevolve. These are scented candles, and just look at how beautiful this package is, y'all. All the way around, it's decorated beautifully. And these are 12 candles in here, and they are decorated for Christmas. When you open it, it opens very nice. They're packed really well. Opens this way, opens like that, and then it looks like this inside. It comes with a card, and the card says, "Happiness for you." And on the back, it says, "Happiness and best wishes." And you can write, to whoever, from whoever. So you could give this whole box of 12 candles as a gift. Makes a beautiful presentation. Or you could use each individual candle in stocking stuffers, in little, make little gifts for people, put it in with some other little things in a little shopping bag or something like that. They're just absolutely beautiful. You find this on Amazon. I'll have the link below. They have a great sale going on with it. There's a coupon you can apply. They're really nice. Let me show you some of them. They are 100% soy wax, and they have a cotton wick. Can you see how pretty that is? It says Merry Christmas, and there's a beautiful house out there outside, and they're tin. And this one is Mediterranean fig. So when you open it, oh, it smells good. It's a nice little tin. It's 2.5 ounces, and it like I said, it's soy wax, and this is a cotton wick. And it is smokeless. So you can take these with you. You know how nice if you're traveling through the holidays, take one of these with you and have it for your hotel room. I like to do that if I stay in a hotel. I like to have something because there's odors, and that'll take it away for you. And they're safe because they are soy. And like I said, you could give this whole thing as a gift, but my intentions here are to distribute these out in little packages. This one says Merry Christmas. There's a nice red truck with a snowman and some little critters. And this, or maybe it's a bear, a polar bear. This is jasmine. Okay, and there's 12 different scents, and they're all white. That smells good. They all smell really nice. They're not terribly strong. Candles can't get too strong. This one is Bluebell. Not sure what Bluebell smells like, but that's a nice Christmas scene there. Some of them are on there pretty tight. It just, I forget that you guys can't smell, but look how cute they are. And I'll just tell you the scents instead of trying to open them all. This one is Spring. It's called Spring. This one, how cute is that? Santa on the Rooftop. And that one is wood sage and sea salt. Oh, I gotta smell that one. Now that one's a little bit different. You can see it's more yellow. That smells good. Whoops, this one, the lid came right off. This one is lavender. For that, let me show you the, that smells good. And then that's the first level. And see how nicely they're packed? They're on this nice tray to keep them safe. And there's 6 more. So we have rose and bergamot. This is a nice fireplace scene. This one is rosemary. How cute is that? And lemon, very nice. I love lemon. And peony cherry blossom. This is so pretty. Now I forgot to show you the sides. The sides are all decorated too. Just they match the lid. So see how that is. And then the last one is, there's 12, is gardenia. And so there, I think, did I say gardenia already? There may be a couple of duplicates of scents, but see how the sides are all decorated as well. Here's one that I have the lid off. See, so the sides all match the lid. And like I said, I will have the link below. And these were sent to me free for review, and they're really beautiful, y'all. And like I said, they make wonderful little gifts. Little gifts, a hostess gift, throw it in a little shopping bag with a couple little other things. You know what I like to do with these kinds of things, being I'm a skincare person, is I like to put these in with a couple of sheet masks and, you know, a couple other little things like that, and give to friends or to my hairdresser or things like that. People that I see all the time that I just like to give a little something to. It makes a nice little gift. So that is what I'm showing you today. And the brand is called, it is Primevolve. Primevolve, all one word. These are scented candles. Now, these that I'm showing you are all in Christmas tins, but they also have them in different kinds. You can get a different assortment that has flowers and things like that on it if you don't want Christmas theme. Because, you know, some people do celebrate the holidays, but not exactly Christmas, and they may want a different theme. They have a couple different ones to pick from. And I'll have the link below for you. And thanks for stopping by. And Merry Christmas, y'all. And Happy Thanksgiving. You'll probably see this before Thanksgiving. And I just think they're adorable. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.